I'm getting a lot of questions on our Discord about, isn't it time to sell? We're up 156% in Skywater. Shouldn't we take some of the money off the table? Shouldn't we start working on the table's money? Let's take our investment out and just work on their money. That sounds like the talk that comes out of Las Vegas. Wait a second. Are we gambling here? Or are we investing here? Do we have all the knowledge that we need on these individual stocks to make good decisions? Or are we just betting on red? Or we're in a streak, so let's take our profits out. I don't gamble. I don't gamble in any way in the world. I invest in companies. And I use AI to analyze the companies, to tell me, based on all the knowledge that's available to anybody relative to that stock, other than insiders, what is the price going to be at the end of 2026, 27, and 28? And with Skywater, we've hit our target. We've hit our target for 2026. But I think there's some things that the rest of the world hasn't equated into Skywater, into Micron, where we're up 218%, into Applied Digital, where we're up 227%. Do the investors of the day recognize what's going on? Have they looked at their financial statement? Have they looked at their balance sheet? Have they looked at the activity of their officers in the company? Have they looked at their solvency? Do they recognize their TAM? And do they recognize the moat that they have built around them? And do they truly understand the complexity in the future of AI? I watch CNBC and sometimes Bloomberg's and sometimes even Fox Business, and I hear all this skepticism about what AI is, and yet I use it every day, and it gives me extraordinary returns on my stocks. So I'm asking myself, do they really understand what AI is? Did they hear Jensen yesterday say that this new chip he has developed is going to be 10x more efficient than the Blackwell that he has been bragging about for the last year? Did they hear that? Do they know what that means? Do they know that that means it will be able to process data more efficiently, faster, and need more support in the form of memory, because a processing chip only digs the ditch. It does not remember what it did with the last shovelful. It has to have memory. So if you're creating all more of this data processing, then you need more memory. So that's why I'm hanging on to Micron. But why Skywater? Why? Because, my God, we invaded Venezuela just this weekend. That's why Skywater was up. I mean, Skywater is the only pure play, the only pure production of semiconductors in the United States. All the others are coming out of Taiwan. Do you want those, what did they say, 200 flying machines that went to Venezuela? Do you want those, the chips made to fly those machines and to follow them and to report back? Do you want them made in Taiwan? Do you want them made in Korea? Do you remember about a year ago, there were some people in, I guess it was somewhere in their pagers blew up on them, and it came out that Israel had put an explosive device in the chip that was made in Taiwan on their pagers. Do you want that in a fighter jet? that is flying over Venezuela and may soon be flying over Colombia, or maybe soon closing down the cartels in Mexico? Do you want that, or do you want that chip made here in the United States by Americans who you can keep track of? That's why I'm up 172% on Skywater, because I recognized that over a year ago. This chips do more than just process information. They feed back information. And you don't want your chip made in some foreign country if you're selling it to Palantir to go track down the president of some country who's selling drugs into your country and owns a buttload of oil. You don't want that to happen. Okay, so answer to the question I got on my Discord, is now the time to sell Skywater? It may be for you if you would want to take the money off the table. Why would you do that? The answer I gave the guy was, let's assume, and I don't know if it was a guy or a girl, you are the sole owner of Skywater today. You are the sole owner. And you went to, and you know everything about the company, just like Kerry does, because he asked Samantha to research it. Would you sell it all today? Would you just liquidate your holdings and go to Florida on vacation forever? If the answer is yes, then sell your Skywater. If the answer is yes on Micron at 218% gain, then sell your Micron. But if you know what you own, and you know what's coming in the future, you're going to double down. Oh, you might take some profits. You might sell some at the end of the year to balance your books and to create some working capital for your next vacation or your next Learjet. But no, this is the investment opportunity in the world, and you don't take your profits. At least Kerry Grinkmeyer doesn't. Because there's more profits to come. Think this way. Understand what AI offers you. And if you want some insights at a very cheap price, come join our tribe. There's a link in the description. I give you a 14-day free trial. You figure it out. If it can make you a millionaire, stay with us. Understand, we have doubled our portfolio since May of 2025. We haven't completed a year yet, and we've already doubled it. If you got $10,000 and you can double it every year, that'll be $1 million in 7 years. In 10 years, it'll be something in the neighborhood of 8 million. You decide what you want to do.